Kiddo's Kitchen. Here's this guy.
So in today's Kiddo's Kitchen, we're gonna make a vegetarian dish.
Yep.
And we're gonna have 3 different ways of cooking styles. One will be like oven, we'll put one in the oven, and the other one will be a shallow fry, one will be another one will be deep fry. Over here we have vegetarian popcorn.
Yep.
Over here we have vegetarian kebab, also known as Sikh kebab.
Oh yeah.
We have vegetarian cutlet.
But what do you call that?
A vegetarian cutlet?
Oh yeah. The with drink?
No. So now we'll get to tasting it.
Okay.
So first we have chicken popcorn. Also.
Awesome.
And now let me try.
Try that.
It's crunchy
Try that.
and it's good.
It's more tasty than I ever seen.
Okay. Okay, here.
No, you can have one.
Okay. It's also good. So this kebab is like nice and soft inside. It's crunchy outside. I can't tell like any difference between like a normal chicken kebab and like a vegetarian kebab. But if you're a vegetarian, this is really good for you. As you can see right now. Now let's try the cutlet.
That was spicy.
Spicy?
No, the thing.
Oh, this thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
You tried with this, it was spicy.
So the cutlet is the same, has the same taste as the chicken popcorn.
Yeah. This thing is more bigger, and that was more smaller because
True,
it's so
true.
good.
True. So now I'll tell you a little bit of stuff about this. So the what you call the vegetarian popcorn, it was a deep fried, and yeah, and the kebab was in the vegetarian kebab was in the oven.
Yeah.
The cutlet was shallow fried
Yeah. And why this one's long?
because it's a kebab.
Oh yeah.
If you like this recipe, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, comment down below, and share with your other friends.
Hit that little bell, do-do.
Hit that little bell, do-do.
Hit that little bell, do-do. Hit that little bell, do-do. Hit that little bell.
See you next time.